Coming up in this Brightline construction update, this update begins here at Crane Creek. Crane Creek is located in downtown Melbourne in Brevard County, Florida. Crews continue to work on installing the temporary work trestle here. As you can see, the purpose of the trestle is primarily to support the crane and other work equipment. During my flight, crews were preparing a new piling for installation. The trestle is currently about halfway across Crane Creek. As you can see here, the existing bridge was once double-tracked, although only the eastern half of it has been used for the last several decades. While it is still structurally sound enough to be double-tracked again despite what it may look like, the new bridge will better meet operational needs and will require less maintenance. The overall plan for work here is to first complete the temporary trestle. They will then proceed to build the first half of a new double-track bridge and transfer trains onto it. They will then demolish the old bridge and build the second half of the new bridge where it was. Here's a look at one of the pilings being installed. Next, I head to Goat Creek. Goat Creek is located in Valkaria, 8 miles south of Crane Creek. At Goat Creek, it appears work has finished on the temporary work trestle. Concrete pilings are on site, so work has either begun or will begin soon on the permanent bridge for the second track. My final stop is here at the St. Sebastian River Bridge, which is also known as the Roseland Trestle. The St. Sebastian River is located 9 miles south of Goat Creek in Roseland. Just like at Crane Creek, progress on the temporary work trestle is now about halfway across the river. During my visit, crews were working on installing the deck for the next section of the trestle. Unlike the other locations, the process here is slightly different as the new bridge will be built in the same footprint as the current bridge. Once the temporary trestle is complete, work will proceed to demolish the portion of the bridge that used to hold the second track. They will then build half of the new bridge there and move rail traffic onto it. They will then finish demolishing the current bridge and build the second half of the new bridge. Here, a section of bridge decking is being brought to the end of the trestle for installation. And here, another section of bridge deck is being put into place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.